guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliana. As you can tell, this is going to be a bit of a different video. Today, let's glow up together and reset and clean everything. I feel like a lot of things in my life are changing, so I want to get ready for that. But yeah, we have lots of things on the agenda today. So yeah, let's get to it. I also want to show you guys my outfit. Both the top and the bottom are from Amazon, and I'll make sure to link them in my LTK. And I'm so obsessed with these necklaces. They're both from Uncommon James, and I've had them for a while. But yeah, I wear them doing everything pretty much, and they haven't tarnished at all. And actually, this bracelet's also from Uncommon James. Not sponsored, but if you're looking for really good jewelry, definitely check them out. And I love this new setup. I've always used this bowl for fruit. Earlier, they all used to just be in here. So yeah, I have my favorite perfumes, some of my lipsticks, my skincare, and I use these candle containers for my Q-tips and my cotton pads. I think later I'm definitely gonna go to Target, so you'll come along with me. In the meantime, I went thrifting the other day. If you guys have watched my videos before, you know I'm very much a neutral girl. So I found this really cute top. It's basically this like ultra crop top. The other top that I got is a sleeveless turtleneck. I feel like it's just a really good basic. The next pair are these gray beige sweatpants. Actually, I don't know if they're sweatpants. Maybe they're just like drawstring palazzo pants. And honestly, I like them, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them. This pair I really like. They're super thick, so they're gonna be better for winter, but they're so unbelievably comfy. So yeah, I'm definitely keeping these. While we wait for the sheets, I wanna refresh my closet a little bit. It's not terrible, but it certainly can be better. So cue the time lapse. Okay, pause. I got these sweaters in the mail, and it's literally June, but I love them so much. The screen's gonna be mirrored, but it basically says Peak Love. It's from the brand Gelato Peak. I can't wait to wear them in winter. And this cream one, sweater with all these like teddy bear and Christmas tree and love motifs. I'm gonna be living in these when it's colder. Alright guys, the closet is all done, and this happens every time I do a closet tidying. I have some items here that I'm gonna put away because they're for winter, and these I'm gonna donate. They're actually mostly just skinny jeans or pants that have gotten worn out. I'm waiting for the laundry to finish, but in the meantime, I want to unbox my new phone case. It just came in the mail. I picked it up downstairs. Our current case is actively breaking, so I needed a new one. Oh my gosh, it's so simple but pretty. I wanted a floral case, but one that wasn't super girly. It's so pretty and it works perfectly with the color of my phone. This is my old one. As you can see, it's seen better days. Okay, it looks like the laundry is gonna take another 45 minutes. So I say let's go to Target now, and we'll come back and do the sheets. I'm back home. Okay, time to do the sheets. Before I go, I wanted to do a bit of a haul. At Target, I did get some groceries. Got my favorite yogurt. I need to get deodorant. I like native deodorants, and this was on clearance. I don't know if it's because it's like a disgusting scent, but I guess we'll see. It smells okay. Like vanilla maybe? I got deodorant. I want to get an eyebrow pencil, and this one's from e.l.f. Some cucumbers, kind of random. And I love these tomatoes. If you feel like tomatoes are tasteless, try these. These are good. And then from Sephora, I love trying face masks, so I got these two. This one is it has lemon, and it's purifying and clarifying. And this one is quenching and plumping effect with watermelon. I've been wanting to try this scent of the Touchland hand sanitizer. It's the rose water one. Let's try it. It smells really good. Yeah, it just smells like rose. It's really nice. But yeah, my laundry is not going to be done for another 2 hours. I think my dryer is an older model. But I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, I'm probably going to go get something to eat. I don't know if you guys care about that. As always, just let me know what kinds of videos you'd like to see. And definitely like and subscribe if you like this video. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!